This is an intro to my soil sampling app. I'm going to start it up on the screen. Soil samples, it's version 8 now. And it brings up my farm, and I want to take samples on the left side of the road here. So I'll show you some things. First of all, this is an intro, so let's take a look at things. You see there's some words up here that are difficult to read, so I'm going to go into the menu button and edit the field information. First of all, let's change the text color from black to, let's say, yellow. And I'll come up here and save and exit, and now you can see that information. So the next thing I'll point out is that we want to show places to soil sample in here. Let's go back to the menu and back to the edit field info. And first of all, we'll turn on the grid, and let's select 2.5 acre grid here. You can see down here it gave you a message that, but to load it, you now need to reload grid type selected. Press that, you get a message down here, and then when you save and exit, you see the sampling spots. Now that was set at 2.5 acres. Let's go in and look at a couple more here. Go to field edit. Let's look at 5 acre. Try that again. There. And so you can see the spots to sample. And when you use this in the field, my field entrance is right in here. And let's say that I want to start at soil sampling spot 4 and work my way around the field. First of all, you can see that I've got spot number 1 flagged here. Let's set the flag of where we want to go to spot number 4. And that's also called a waypoint. So I'm going to come down here to the waypoint button, and there are different features here that you can do for waypoints, edit them, move things around. But let's select number 4 here. And now you can see that spot number 4 is highlighted. There's a button down here, it's a play button for telling you where to go to spot number 4. If I press that, watch what happens.
Go northwest 51 kilometers.
I'll turn that back off. So it tells you direction and how far you are to go, which is convenient. If you're walking, you can have the tablet in your pocket and be listening to it and get close. So it's a convenient feature. And when you enter the field here, in order to kind of tell what you've been doing, if you press the Start Tracking button, it will show where you've traveled in the field. And I normally use a green line, and it shows you the path that you've taken from one spot to the next. Now you notice that moved the screen around when I pushed on the finger. The screen is sensitive to gestures. If you take 2 fingers on the screen and squeeze them together, you can change the size or spread them apart. The reset button pushes it back to a normal size, and you can use the magnification buttons and left-right buttons to manipulate the screen so you can zoom in on the spot you're wanting to go to. Now, the app uses the internal GPS of the tablet, and up here you can see accuracy of 24 meters. When you're outside in the field instead of in the basement where I'm at, you can get accuracy down in the 2.5–3 meter range, which is sufficient for taking soil samples. If you have any questions, you can go out to theoutfarming.com and contact me, Jim, and by email, and let me know what you're thinking. There's other videos that show other features of the software. Thank you.